Some promises are more than words, they're lifelines. This is the story of Emma, a daughter, a dreamer, and a promise keeper. When her father fell ill, Emma made a promise. She vowed to always be there, to keep the family strong. Through sleepless nights and tireless days, she studied hard, worked harder, and never gave up. Her promise wasn't just about words, it was about love, sacrifice, and holding on to hope. And as the years passed, Emma's promise blossomed into a beautiful reality, reminding us all that love and determination can move mountains. So, what promise will you keep today?